Hey everybody, I'm Aaron Blaze, and I've been animating for almost 40 years now on films like The Lion King, Mulan, Brother Bear, and my own short, Snow Bear. And if there's one thing that I've learned, it's that great animation just isn't about movement. It's about emotion. It's about thought, and it's about capturing what's happening inside a character and expressing that through drawing. That's where the magic is. And this November, I'm hosting a brand new in-person animation boot camp in Orlando, Florida. It's called The Living Line, bringing characters to life. And for 3 full days, we're gonna focus on what really gives animation its power, performance. You'll learn how to animate emotional shifts through changes, body language, and through character acting. I'll be doing live demos each day and giving you personal, one-on-one feedback as you animate. And you won't need to bring a thing. All the gear is provided. Every student will work on a Wacom One Cintiq, and we'll be using TV Paint, one of my favorite tools for expressive hand-drawn animation. The event runs November 13th through the 17th at the Doubletree Resort by Hilton in Orlando. You'll check in on the 13th and join us for a welcome reception that evening. And then the next day, we dive into 3 full days of hands-on training from the 14th through the 16th. Breakfast and lunch are included, and we're right next to SeaWorld, Universal Studios, and just down the road from Disney. There's only 30 spots available, so if you're ready to take your animation deeper, if you want your characters to think, feel, and truly live on screen, then visit creatureartteacher.com/live to grab your seat. I'd love to work with you, and I hope to see you there. Thanks.